Part 2 of Torah and Science, Rabbi Mizrahi shows something amazing. He shows something called Torah codes, which is hidden mathematical secrets in the Torah of all information that exists. Past, present, and future. We just need to know what we're looking for. Hashem is clearly telling us anything that's mentioned, every letter, every dot, every nikud, every sentence, everything is relevant for eternity. Everything that's written in the Torah is relevant to you. It's relevant to you, it's relevant to you, it's relevant to everyone. Hashem knew you're going to exist when He wrote the Torah. So in this Torah, He also gave us a prophecy, He also gave us a promise that after we make many, many sins, He's going to send us to the four corners of the world. And here He says, of Sefer Devarim, Deuteronomy, in chapter 4, verse 27, Hashem will scatter you amongst the people, and you will be left few in number among the nations where Hashem will lead you. There you will serve gods, the handiwork of man, of wood and stone, which do not see, and do not hear, and do not eat, and do not smell. After He scatters us, instead of doing tshuva like a normal person, we get worse. What do? We start doing idol worship, but specific type of idol worship. The God of wood and of stone. Wood, the cross is wood. Every Christian, Catholic, that's their sign. False god of wood. After that, the god of stone. Mecca, Islam. Why? You go to Mecca, there Jerusalem is Mecca. What's in Mecca? It's a big, giant, square stone they all worship. They'll pray to it in that direction. Ishtabach Shemo La'al, Hashem is very perfect. Using Torah codes, which in essence means they're using mathematical equations to have skips between letters to find words hidden within the words within the paragraph. It has to be an equal mathematical skip between each of the letters, because then you can clearly see it's by design. Now we have in this verse, we have a Torah code. First word of this verse in Hebrew is ve'efitz, which means Hashem will scatter. Ve'efitz, you find the letter Hey. You skip 50 letters, you get to the word etchem. Letter Chaf. Skip 50 letters, you get to the word Yishmeun. Letter Mem. What does it spell? Mecca. As we said, it's Islam. Again, in the same sentence that talks about the God of wood and the God of stone, we found who the stone is. Interesting. Right after that, same word, Ve'efitz, also has a Yud. 50 letters, you go to the word Shama. Get the Shin. Another 50 letters, you get to the same word as in the Mecca, you find the Vav. In Ishmeun, which is Imach Shimo V'zichro, JC. You find his full name inside the very same verse that says who the false god of wood and stone is. It's the only place in the entire Torah that you find it, and it's in the very verse that describes them literally. Before I saw this video, I saw other codes that were very, very interesting. And to me, this was extremely impressive, and the other codes he mentioned from the Rambam and several others were very, very good. But to her, she converted on the spot. That was the sign, that was everything. That was Har Sinai. That was the Exodus. That was everything. She took everything on instantly. Baruch Hashem, we continued studying. Shortly later, she converted, went to the Bet Din. We had a chuppah the same day just to make sure it's kosher. Same day she converted in the morning. A few hours later, chuppah, kiddushin. A couple days later, Israel, covered hair, tzniut, everything. Prayers every day, limud Torah, something. Now I know why the Satan was working so hard. And that's when the miracles began.